Hi, good evening guys. I hope I am audible.
Rain starts to fall.
Hi, good evening guys. I hope I am audible. So let's start our CryptX live today. Guys, my voice is audible to you all? Just reply in the chat box that voice is audible. So let's see what gold is doing. So if you see what happened in gold now, if you see, this is the opening candle of the gold, and after opening it gave very good points. If you see here, almost 70 points it gave, and now for the full day it is in a very small consolidation range only. So what's happening in gold right now is that it is trying to consolidate, because after 2-3 days of rally, if you see here, after 2-3 days of rally, now gold is trying to consolidate, which is again a good thing. So earlier also we were discussing that what we need is that right now in global commodities is consolidation. So right now we need consolidation in global commodities, whether it's a gold or whether it's silver. Silver again is 3% up. If you see, it was going up very good, and then single day again a big crash came. You see here, almost 30% again, but now it has recovered. So what we need is basically we need consolidation in silver and in gold. So if you look at this here, so this is the box I have created. So this is a very strong demand zone. If you see, last time this was the valid consolidation. After that market gave a very strong rally, and then again big correction, then again small consolidation. So what we need is that consolidation. In consolidation, if the market or the silver is going up slowly, what will happen now? Buyers will get confident. Plus all those people who missed the rally from these levels, after seeing these levels, they weren't sitting in FOMO. So now they will also enter. So now what we need is consolidation. If you see here, this is weekly chart. In weekly chart, what we need 3 to 4 candles. That will be a very good consolidation. After that, we can try to go long if the market is trying to make a buy on dip structure again, something like this, you see. So that is for silver. Again, if you see gold, gold is again same thing. What we need, consolidation. Because you see now, gold and silver, these global commodities, they are not the asset which gives you 5 to 6% returns in a week. What will happen? They generally move 1.5%, 2% in a week, up or down. Market will go up like this, then a rally, then consolidation. But here though, it went completely one side, like parabolic. So because of that, what happened? Correction was also very fast. Understand, correction was also very fast. You see this correction. In this correction, all the weak players, weak buyers, market took them out. And someone who bought at these levels after FOMO, or let's say after they missed these rallies, they bought at these levels and now they are stuck. So they will be thinking like, okay, I bought this and now it's going this thing. So this is the thing we need. So what we need is that consolidation in both. Let's see if we are getting something else also. In CryptX, if you see here now, I've taken one trade for the, if you see here, one trade I have taken. You see 68k I booked. So what happened, this trade I was holding since the Friday, so somewhere here I took, somewhere here I took. So 2:30 was the time when I took this trade, and after that you see slowly market gave a very good returns, and here 5026 I booked. So again that was a very good trade I captured. So let's see if again we are getting something. We'll try to capture, guys. Just give me 1 second. So guys, anyone here took any trade you want to share? This is this thing. We'll try to take some trades here. So again, now you see the market is in completely sideways band. Just give me 1 second, guys. So let's see. Guys, anyone took any trade here, huh? Anyone has taken any trade in CryptX? So you see this is gold we are trading in CryptX. Multiple things you can trade here like BTC, PAXZ, gold. Leverage you will get 150x in cryptos. In crypto, gold backed crypto you will get 40x, and in XAU USDT you will get maximum up to 30x. So 30x leverage you will get. See, this thing is coming here. Guys, just give me 1 second. I think this is not loading. Okay, so I think now I'm visible, guys. Jenny. Late, no? Yeah, wait. Why it's late, huh? Stream is late. Why? No, earlier it was not delay. In Basala's laptop. Okay, guys. So someone is asking something. Yeah, okay, we'll do that. Just give me 1 second. So 5045, 5075 range you want to sell. Okay, somewhere here. See, don't sell. I'm telling you why, because you see already 3 times it has taken a rejection. So 4th time what will happen now? It will not give you very clear entry. fourth time it will give a lot of pain. It will try to give a breakout, then it will come down, then again breakout. So wait for some time. Now we can't plan that okay 5045 you can directly plan for selling with 30 points of stop loss. So don't plan as of now, just wait for some time. So Anki is asking how the gold calculation is done on CryptX. See how the gold calculation will be done. If I want to buy one lot, you see here, let's say right now price is 5016, 5016. If I am buying one lot, if you see guys, if I want to buy one lot, just a second, 5016, if I want to buy one lot, so how much, if I'm going with maximum leverage, so how much margin I need? You see 170 USDT, 170 USDT. How much I have? I have 1209, and in rupees how much I have? 1,16,000. So how the calculation will be done? For every point you will get 95 rupees. For every point you will get 95 rupees. You can see here 95 rupees you will get. So 95 rupees of profit and loss. I hope you understand now, Anki. 95 rupees of profit and loss you will get for every point. So let's see if we can find any trade here. 5015. 5011. See, we will try to go with one quick scalp. Let me just check any news is there or not. So let me check any news is there or not. So today there is no good news. There is no major news which is going to impact the market. So this is all at 9:30. So let's try to find any trade, guys. So we can try to go somewhere here 5011 with 3 lots. Stop loss will be 6 points. So 501 I am planning. I see what I am trying to tell you is that basically market is on an uptrend. So what happened? Market give this small breakout. If this breakout is not sustaining, what will happen? It will directly test the bottom of the range, which is these levels. So here what happened? If here market is coming, we can try to go for long side with a target of 5020 and stop loss of 6 to 7 points only. So we can try to capture 1:1.5. So this is what I am planning. So what we will do now, we will wait for the US market to open. US market will open at 6:30. So in 15 minutes we can see what will happen. If you were in live last 2-3 days back, so you were seeing that market is giving sudden spikes both sides. So that in sudden spikes what will happen? It will take stop loss of both sides. So wait for some time, let us see what market is doing, then only we will plan a trade. Or otherwise you can go for a short sides also. You can go for the short side also. You can plan for a short side also. What I am considering is that I am considering this as a box. So we can go for this thing. Stop loss we can point 6 points. Again target will be 10 points or 9 points. Minimum 1:1 we can capture. So let's plan a trade here. 5009. Stop loss will be 5024. 5009. So this trade I am thinking, guys. This trade I am thinking. Again here loss is very much less. If you see here, what is the loss in this trade for me? If you see here, loss in this trade will be somewhere come around 2000 rupees. Profit will be 4000 rupees, 1:2. So now market, we have to wait for the US market to open. I am just trying to take a trade in front of you guys so that you can understand how the order you can place, how the profit and loss calculation will be done for you. So let's see. Guys, if you have any doubt regarding CryptX, please update. If you have any doubt regarding CryptX, you can update me. You can put in the chat box, please. See, the good part about CryptX now, you can trade 24/7 here. That is a good part. You can trade, let's say you are going to office, you don't have much time in the afternoon, you are not able to track the Indian markets. So basically you can trade here in CryptX. This market is open 24/7 even on weekends. If you find a good setup on weekend, you can try to take a trade on weekend itself. Understand? Just if you know how to do things, like if you are comfortable with the platform, if you are aware with the platform, and if you know how to properly calculate your risk reward and risk management things, so you can work out. Plus from our side also, we are putting all the trades we are taking in our communities before the trades are executing. So this will also help you. So see guys, here I think, see 5018, it made the high and then came down. Still I'm expecting that market will give us entry. This is the trade here. So let's wait. So winner entry will be, I told you, entry will be 5018. Entry is 5018. Stop loss will be 5024. First target will be the bottom of the range. First target will be the bottom of the range. So you see here exactly it tested 5018. Just our entry got missed by very small difference. But this order is still valid. I will wait. Leverage I am using 30x. Leverage I am using 30x. Vishaka, how can we clear the doubts if we get recorded sessions? See, Vishaka, every day we are doing this live stream. So any doubt you have, you can join the live stream also. Plus I will share you a number also, 729922924. So this number also you can. See guys, if you have any doubt regarding CryptX, this number also you can text. Plus this live also you can join every day, which we are conducting. So you see, just missed our entry. So let's see whether we will get our entry or not. Guys, how many of you have taken the same trade here? Let me know. How many of you have taken the same trade here? I shared my number in the chat box here. You can text me a message if you have any doubt, any query regarding CryptX. Okay. You see here, almost entry and then directly going down. Let's see whether the market will give us entry or not. We will try to keep this order until the US market opens. Until the US market opens, then we will try to take a trade after the US market opens and some structure is there. Actually trying to take trade. Okay, Vinay, you can try to take trade, try to understand the platform first, and okay, then only take trade. So guys, any doubt you have regarding platform? See here, it gave a very good, see, directly went guys, just missed our entry here, you see, just missed our entry and then directly went. See, almost target. Guys, anybody got entry in this trade here? Anyone? You see, directly took the target. You see, directly took the target almost. So what was the logic behind this trade? Now I will tell you the logic. Logic is, you see here, there is a box here. You see, this is 5 minutes consolidation here. What happened? Market gave a breakout. Going 3 minutes. Try to see what happened. Market gave a breakout, rejection, breakout, rejection. Then this red candle. What I was expecting, at the height of the box, I will try to go short. But what happened? Entry did not execute it. See here, directly target it went. And target, what was the target? Low of the box. See, directly went to the low of the box. So just now, how many points we could have captured? Almost 9 points. See, in 5-10 minutes only guys, 9 points. So try to understand the logic, try to understand the system, how these things work. Because market is here, market will be here. Can you show once more? Yeah, Vina will try to take one more trade, no issues. We will try to take more trades. We will try to more trades. Let the US market open, then we will try to take a trade. Okay, no issues. Just missed this. You see here, actually it just touched. It was very fast, touch and go. Touch and go. You see here, entry was 5018, target was 5009, stop loss was 5024. So just missed and go. You see here. Let's see if we find any other entry. See, I'll try to hold this trade. If let's say this box is still valid, what will happen? Market can again try to take a rejection and again can try to come back. So I'll try to hold this trade. Guys, if you are taking the same trade, please do your own risk reward ratio and risk management. I am taking trades based on my risk management, so don't follow the same logics. You can reduce your lot size, you can reduce your quantity and risk exposure. So reduce your risk exposure, please. Please try to reduce your risk exposure. So let's see. I think this time we can get an entry. We'll wait. We will wait, guys. So again, you see, just again trying to do a little bit consolidation here. So US market will open in 8 minutes. I have to trade with one lot. How much I need? See, Vinay, if you want to trade with one lot, you need how much? I'll show you again. You see, you go here. Let's say you want to short from here, and one lot. If you are taking maximum leverage, which is 30x here, how much you need? 168 USDT. So it will come around somewhere around 15,000 or 15,500. So for one lot in Indian rupees, you need 15,500, 16,000 something. So with that you can trade. With that you can trade. If you reduce the leverage, let's say I want to reduce the leverage. So what will happen? Your buying margin will increase. So it will be calculated like that. How it is calculating? Now see the price here, 5,018. What is the leverage you are getting? 30x. So 5,080 divided by 30x. This will come. Understood? So that is how the leverage is being calculated here. 5,018 divided by 30x. So this will come. If the price of the gold is 6,000 divided by 30x, so buy margin required will come around 2,000. So see guys, again missing our entry. Let's see. So US market is about to open. Let's see, will I get the fill now? Guys, you can open your account in CryptX. You can open your account in CryptX. Just 1 second. If anyone has an open your account in CryptX, you can open your accounts. I think we got our entry. Okay, still pending. Still pending, guys. Guys, if anyone don't have CryptX account, you can open through this link. You will get multiple benefits. You will get 10% discount on brokerage, flat 10% discount on your brokerage. You will get free crypto course, plus you will get this thing, algo integration. So all this stuff you will get. So if you haven't opened your account, you can open your account and you can start your journey for CryptX round. So you see again, just so this is a good supply zone. This box is high of this range is a supply and bottom of the range is demand. What I am expecting is that market has to take this liquidity. There is a lot of liquidity here. There is a lot of liquidity here. I am expecting market to take this liquidity. Then it should go up. So let's see. Let's see. See again, 2 times we missed our entry from here also and here also. Guys, anyone else has taken in this trade? Anyone else took this trade? You see, directly going to the our target area. See here, see 2 times. Is anyone see directly target again? You see US market is about to. See now the liquidity, it is taking the liquidity. It is taking this liquidity. Here there is a lot of liquidity. So I will do one thing, I will remove this order now. Because 2 times it hit the target, sweep the liquidity before giving us the entry. So I don't think there is any point now. We will again try to find any other trade, guys. So market is now, what I want, a small red candle again. This liquidity it has to take. Then only we will try to find again any other trade. So same thing you can find here also. You see here. You see this. This is the box. So this is the range for gold here. See this much of liquidity is pending here. So this is 5,000 round level. Lot of liquidity is here, guys. Market has to test these levels again. Market has to test these levels again. So let's see in 2 minutes market this will open. Let's wait for 2-3 minutes. See, try to understand the logic, try to understand the observation insights. Suddenly when market was here, we planned a short position, 2 times it gave target but missed our entry. You see here, just missed our entry by some tip. There is some liquidity here, market has to take this liquidity, then only it will try to go up. Plus this 5,000 is a round level, round psychological level. It will act as a strong support now. As long as market is below this level now, it will act as a resistance. If the market is above this level, it will act as a support. So try to understand these things. At different levels, market had different psychology. If you understand this thing, it will be very easy for you. So you see 1 minute US market is about to open. We will wait and see how the market is reacting. Then again we will try to plan a trade. So Daniel is asking what all indicators I am using. So indicators are very basic. If you see 9 and 21 EMA, nothing else. Mostly this is to capture the trend. Mostly I will be relying on zones, but indicators is to capture the momentum. If you see here, when market is directional like this, it will try to respect the EMAs. So whenever market is in downtrend and you see a pullback and it is testing the EMA and taking rejection, you can go short. Same is when market is going up, wait for the market to respect the EMAs, and if it is trying to go up again, you can go long. So EMAs you can use as a momentum indicator. Momentum indicator, guys. Exactly, guys. Market is kind of like this. So US market is open. You see, I need a downside move. Then we will plan a trade. Then we will plan a trade here. Guys, anyone took this trade? Huh? Anyone tried to short from these levels? You see this single candle gave target, single candle, this single red candle gave target. Anybody planned this trade here, from here? Guys, anybody planned this trade? You see here also it is consolidating. And here also it is consolidating. You see silver candle. See guys, 1 minute silver candle when US market opened. See this. Oof. See the rejection. So silver is trying to pick up. Gold will also try to pick up. If silver is picking up, gold will also try to pick up. But this is a strong resistance zone. What we need, market to sustain above this level, respect the EMA, then again we will try to go long. Just wait for some time, see how the market is reacting. What is the procedure for LOWEST Capital? See, LOWEST Capital, guys, we have launched LOWEST Zero now. If you see LOWEST Zero, just directly you can go to the website LOWEST Capital, and this LOWEST Zero we have launched. Here you will directly get a funded account, not a evaluation account. You will get a funded account, guys. So 5k, 10k, 25k, 50k, you can take any account. This is funded account directly. And if you see, the rules are very flexible. Trading period is unlimited, no minimum days, no maximum days. Profit target, there is no profit target. You can make 10%, 20%, 50%. You can make any amount. Only the rules you have to follow is drawdown. So your daily loss limit is 5% and maximum loss limit is 10%. So that is the only. And you know what is the good thing? Good thing is that, let's say you took a 10k account, you made 1% payout. You made 1%, which is $100. So you can directly ask for $100 payout. You will get 75%. So every week, whatever the payout you are getting, you will get 75% of that. So in a month, you can ask for 4 payouts. After that, there is no other rules. Simple drawdown 5% and 10%. So this is very good. If you have very good idea about how these trading things work and these prop accounts work, this is very good. A lot of traders have taken very good payouts, so you can also try out. Again, if you have any doubt regarding LOWEST also, just give me a text on this number. So you can give me a text on this number, guys, if you want, if you are interested in LOWEST also. Just give me a text on this number. Yeah, Rajesh, you can give me a text on this number. You see, again, same levels. So the market behavior, if you see now, it's not good. Okay, here is trying to give a breakout. You see, here it is trying to give a breakout, guys. We will wait for some solid structure, then only we will try to take a trade. You see, this is 15-minute consolidation here. In 15-minute, market is doing very good consolidation. Again, market can try to go for upside. So we will wait. We'll try to find some good setup, then only we will try to take a trade. Otherwise, we will not. So wait, guys, we'll see. So Shubham is asking, break down your strategy, entry, exit. See, Shubham, nothing I told you, I'm using nothing, only price action. Here market was making a rejection. We try to went for short side. Lower of the box will be the target. Same thing, lower of the box was a target, just missed our entry. Market gave 2 times target, but no issues. We will try to find some another entry. Now we will wait. We will wait for structure, then only we will plan something. Then only we will plan something. Then only we will plan something. Otherwise, wait for some time. So this prop I was explaining. So you can buy here 10k, 5k, 25k, 50k. As of now, we have offer running on. So we are giving 10% discount. So $390, 10% discount means you will get it at $350. So please try to understand how these things work here. So again, market is facing resistance here. Silver, you see silver took this rejection, came down, again went up. So too much volatility here. The moment US market opened, silver gave both side move. You see this rejection candle, then rejection from the top, then again recovered. So rejection is there. So wait for some time. We need a solid structure, then only we will plan trade, guys. So you see here, now it's giving a breakout. Now it's giving a breakout. Anyone took any trade, guys? Guys, anyone took any trade here, huh? You see, wait for some time, we will plan some trade. You see this, if you see this in 1 hour, guys, total consolidation. This was the opening candle. After that, total consolidation. It took the opening candle, came down. Again took the opening candle, again came down. So total consolidation. So we'll wait for some time. Don't plan anything. What you can do now, you can plan a trade here. Here one trade is becoming. So this can be one trade. So we can try to go with this thing, 5026. So guys, we can try to go with this thing, 5027. Quantity will go with 3 and stop loss will be 5035. Target will be 5012. So 5012 and 5035. So this can be a trade. This is a one trade I am thinking, guys. Let's see, will we get entry here or not? Let's wait for guys, anyone else planning the same trade here, huh? Anyone else planning same trade? You can put into the chat box now if anyone is planning the same trade. Guys, anyone planning same trade? So let's see. You see here now, this was the false breakout, this was the false breakdown, and now market is slowly going up. Let's see whether this will act as a resistance or not. If this is acting as a resistance, we have placed our short entry. Stop loss will be again 7-8 points. Target will be again 14-15 points. So let's see. See, slowly market is trying to go up. You see the candles. If you see, the structure is looking very weak. Today I think liquidity is not that good. Liquidity is not looking good. If you see, liquidity is not looking good. You see, very small range. Very small range. We'll try to wait for our entry, 5024. Guys, our entry will be here, 5027. Understand, our stop loss is 5035 and target will be 5012. We can do one thing. If we are getting entry and market or trade is also going in our favor, we will try to trail the stop loss and try to trail the this thing also, target also. So both we will try to do. Both we will try to do, guys. Guys, anyone taken the same trade here, huh? Anyone has taken the same trade? So again, market is going below without giving us our entry. You see, again market is going below. So today we are missing all our entries. Guys, I will try to hold this trade. The order is still open, is still valid, because I think there is liquidity here. Market has to take this liquidity. This is what I am expecting. So let's see what silver is doing. Silver is again trying to come down. See here, silver is also coming down. What BTC is doing? So BTC, if you see here, BTC is in completely downtrend. You see, after this much of crash, what happened? A small recovery. And you see, for the last 3 days, weekend it was, and today also, small candles. So here what's happening now? Suppliers and buyers both are trying to wait for the market again to find a direction. When the direction again will be clear, if it is going downside, sellers will come, and if it is trying to make a buy on dip structure, buyers will come. So now volume is very less. So don't take trade in BTC also. Wait for the levels and the volume to be clear and to again try to pick up. Then only go long and short. So now maybe we can get our entry. Now maybe we can get our entry, guys. Guys, if anyone has any doubt regarding LOWEST CryptX, please text me on this number. We'll try to help you. We'll try to sort out your problem. And if you haven't opened account in CryptX, you can open through this referral. You will get 10% discount on your brokerages, algo integration, plus you will get free crypto course. So all this stuff will be there for you if you are opening an account. So try to just understand how the platform works. I'm patiently waiting for my entry here. Let's see. Guys, anyone wants to ask anything regarding CryptX? Huh? Any doubt you have? How the profit and loss calculation is done? Lot size is, leverage, any doubt you have? You see here, this is basically gold. If you want to trade in cryptocurrencies, you can come here. BTC you can trade. You see leverage, you will get 150x. 150x. So see the structure of BTC, it's very weak. Structure of BTC is looking very weak. But don't plan any entry, wait for the market to find a direction. Then only plan on that direction, long or short. Blindly don't take any trade now. So I don't think gold will give us our entry today. You see, again gold is missing our entry, guys. You see, again gold is missing. So this trade also missed our entry target. This is also trying to go down. Let's see what it is doing here. So Vinay is asking how to cancel the trade if it is not active. So Vinay, it's very simple. You can simply click here. Click to cancel order. Cancel order. If you do here, this order will be cancelled. This trade will be cancelled. Understand? So guys, here you can do all the stuff through the platform itself, through the chart itself. You don't have to go to the order section. You don't have to go to the here, or you have to do cancel. You can do from here itself. Chart, everything. Stop loss trailing you can do. Target trailing you can do. Everything you can do from here itself. You can even modify the order also. You see here, I can even modify the order. I can put 3 to 5 lots. So all this stuff you can do from the chart itself. Modification of order, modification of trailing of stop loss, target, everything you can do. So guys, we are not getting our entry. So what we can do is that let's say if we get our entry here, otherwise what we have to do is that we have to trail our entry to the downside. We are not getting here. So I don't think it will give us our entry. Has anyone taken the same trade here? Vinay, have you taken the same trade? Anyone? Crude oil we can't do. As of now, crude oil we can't do. We are working on crude oil also. So crude oil is not there. Silver you can do. Guys, here silver you can do. You see here, this is silver. This is silver. Silver you can do here in CryptX. Gold and silver commodity only as of now is there. We are working on crude also. So if the demand is there for crude in trading, we will bring crude also. You see here again with the entry. So all the trades we are entry missing now. We are missing entry now. So guys, let's do one thing. We will trail our entry to here. Okay. You see I have trailed my entry here. So entry will be at 5021. 5021 I have trailed my entry. And I will trail my target to the bottom of this thing, and I will trail my stop loss also. Stop loss will be again 7 points here. 5028 I can take a stop loss. So 5021 entry, 7 point stop loss, and I will try to capture 1:2. I am expecting a lot of liquidity at the bottom. We will try to capture this thing, liquidity. Actually, I placed the trade but have not seen the wallet. Amount is not available to take the trade of one lot. Winner, no issues. You can do one thing. You can try with half lot. First, try with small lots. Once you get comfortable with the platform, you can start with 1-2 lots. So again, you see. This entry is also not activated. Guys, we will do this order cancel and we will try to take another order. 50. 5021, one quantity 3, sell side stop loss will be 5028. See, loss is 2000 rupees, take profit will be 5008, we can go. So profit will be 3744, again 1:2 almost. So this is the trade. This is the trade, guys. If you watch very carefully now what's happening here, market is expecting the EMAs. Every time it is tapping the EMA from the top, buying is coming. But once it failed to go above, selling will be faster and the liquidity here will be taken. So maybe this time you see it failed to go above, it will try to take the liquidity of all the people who are long from these levels with a stop loss below these. You see, directly it is going. So 2-3 trades we miss our. You have to find good entry. See, again what's happening, some days will be like this, you will miss the entries and market will give you targets. What silver is doing. So silver also trying to go down, but we will wait. Okay, nice recovery is coming. You see, single 1 minute candle, see how many points came? 7 points almost. So 7 points recovery came from just one minute candle, 8 points. You see here. So that's why don't try to go chase the entry, let the market come to your entry price, entry spot. Otherwise single pullback candle can take your stop loss. So wait for the entry, let the market come to your entry, don't chase the market. Don't chase the market, guys. So you see here this box is working very good. Every time market is trying to go up, it is not able to go up, it is testing the lower side of the box. And every time market is trying to test the lower side of the box, it is going up. So maybe now I think we can get our entry. 5021. You see here, see the only 3 candles you see. How many points? 12 points. If someone has entered here, I think they will be in loss. So again, wait for the entry patiently. How do we know the entry level? So Sudha is asking, sir, how do we know the entry level? See, how do we find out the entry level? Just try to understand the structure first. What is the structure? Market is bullish or bearish? If you see for the last 2-3 days how the market is doing. Last 2-3 days market is in uptrend. Before that there was a big sharp fall. Now market is in uptrend, and after this much of uptrend, you see almost 7 to 8%. Now what market is doing? Consolidation. So this consolidation is good. So whenever consolidation comes into the market, means market is again ready for a big move. Market is getting ready for a big move. So consolidation is good. First try to understand the trend. Trend is bullish. Now market is in a consolidation range. So as of now market is in consolidation range. Then try to find out major support and resistance. This is a major resistance. These areas are major support areas. This 5000 level is a major support. You see here, went up, tested this level, went up, again tested, went up. In this red candle it tried to break this level, but ultimately buyers came in, they pushed the price upside. And now if you see, market has become sell on rise. You see here, sell on rise. So what happens? Now market is sell on rise. So try to find a minor or initial resistance level. This is the initial resistance level. We missed our entry. Try to go short from the initial resistance level. Then target for the initial support. So this is the initial support. Then this is 5000 is major support. why we are taking a trade against the trend. See, it's not necessary that market will continue the trend. It can change the trend also. It can change the trend also, no? It's not necessary that market will, if it's an uptrend, it will keep going uptrend. It will come for pullbacks, retracements. So you can enter, you can try to find out those retracement zones. Try to take reversal trade. If you're taking a reversal trade now, what will happen if market respected your level? It will give you fast targets. Target will be very fast. Like here, if you see, in 2-3 candles only, it is giving me how many points? You see, 15 points. Understand? So that's why if you are taking a trade against that trend, try to understand where is the reversal level. Where is the reversal level? And if you find a good reversal level, try to take a trade. And you will get very good risk reward ratio, 1:2. 1:2. So again, market has becoming completely sideways. So every time bottom is acting as a support, this is acting as a resistance. So now if this support is taken out, it will give you 5-10 points extra. You see now the market has taken that change in trend. It is now respecting the EMS from the top. Now this EMS can act as a resistance. Understand? Now these EMS can act as a resistance. If you want, we can take a trade from here also with a stop loss of this 8 points with a target of this. Let me trail. So again, condition is very simple. We are taking a trade based on very with small stop losses. With small stop losses. We will try to take a trade 5, 0, 15, 22 and 5, 0, 1. Let's take a trade, guys. 5, 0, 1, 5. 3 lots. Sell short 5002 and 5022. So again you see this liquidity is now market taking this liquidity. Guys, you can see this market is now taking the liquidity. Let's see if we get any entry here in our trade. Our entry will activate from here. Again, risk reward ratio is minimum 1:1.5, guys. This time I am expecting an entry. So our entry level, if is, you see, 5015. 5015. Yeah, this time maybe we'll get entry. 5014. Guys, anyone else planning the same trade here? Huh? Anyone else is planning the same trade? Put in the chat box now. Please put in the chat box if anyone else is planning the same trade here. Let's see, if we get entry in this trade now, we will fine, otherwise we will not take any other trade. You see again market is not giving us our entry. See, first entry was here, then somewhere here, then now here. So 4 times we are trying to go short, but we are not getting entry itself. Guys, anyone took any trade now? Huh? Anyone booked any profit or loss? Any trade you took? Put in the chat box. Anyone took any trade? Vinay, Sudha, you also. So let's see if we'll get entry in this trade or not. Okay, same order is placed. Okay. See, please do your risk analysis because I am taking trades based on my system, my risk reward and my risk appetite. So follow your own system. Follow your own system. Follow your risk appetite. See, I don't think again it will give us entry. See, again miss the entry from here to here. So this is the problem. When market becomes one trend, it will miss the entries. So 3 times we got our entry miss, all 3 targets. Here it missed by some tip, here also, here also. Kalyan is saying I put pending order at 5002, SL is 4987, take profit is 5040. Okay, 5002 and stop loss we have placed 4987. 4987. Okay, this is fine. This is also fine what you are doing. I do not see any open orders in open order section after placing the order. See, it will show you now like this is open order. You see here, just refresh it. When I try to refresh your system, you see here in front of you I am doing. Here in chart also it is there, and in open order position is also there. So refresh your system please. It is not showing. It should show. You can do one thing, give me a text please. Give me a text on this number. Give me a text on this number, okay? Give me a text on this number. No issues, give me a text on this number. It should show. If you see here, it is showing in front of you on chart also and in open order section also. So here it is showing to me. So guys, if it is going below without giving us entry, we will cancel this order. Because now you are expecting that liquidity is there, that market has swept that liquidity. Market has swept that liquidity. So let's wait for 5-10 minutes. Let's wait for 5-10 minutes, guys. You see now it's going down. You can also plan a long position if you want. 503. So guys, I am trying to take a long position. What I am expecting is that liquidity has been swept. So 503 will be entry. This will be high of the range, will be target. You see here, this will be the entry, this will be target, and 8 points will be stop loss. This I will try to take a trade here. $5016. Is this I am planning now? What I was expecting, that liquidity is there, market has taken this liquidity. Now again it will try to go to the high of the range. Let's see. Stop loss will be 8 points only. 8 points stop loss, and target will be 5016. Okay, I think now we should get fill. Okay, now entry is activated. Now I will put my stop loss. So you can put your stop loss from here. You see guys, TP and SL, 8 point stop loss. See here I am taking very small risk. 4995. Just a second. This is 4995. So I place my stop loss. Now I place my TP. 5016. So this I have taken, guys. See, this is a very small risky trade, but I am expecting that there is a liquidity, market has swept. If I am wrong, I am willing to lose 2-3,000 rupees, and if again market is respecting my view, I will try to first target will be this, second target will be this high. So please don't this thing. Here we have missed multiple entries on the short side. Now if you are planning a trade on the long side, market can give a downside spike and then it can try to go up. So whatever trades you are taking, trades on your own stop this thing, risk appetite please. So 3 lots I have taken. Where is that? You see here 3 lots I have went long. So let's see. If you see the structure, every time market is trying to go up, it is facing resistance here. You see this is 1 minute chart. What's happening? Down, retracement, again down, green candle, again down, green candle, again down. You see green candles, whenever strong buying is coming, market is pushing with double pressure. So why I try to plan a long from here? Because of liquidity plus 5,000 as a round level. If I am wrong, I am willing to lose 2,000. You see here, now what's happening? Stop loss is getting triggered. You see this fall, stop loss is getting triggered. All those people who were long from here, their stop loss is getting triggered. So again, our stop loss I have fixed here, loss is 2,000. If we are wrong, we will exit. Otherwise, first target will be this. So please, if you are taking trades also, trade with your risk appetite and risk management. Okay. You see, someone was asking that why we are taking a trade against the trend. Market has now trying to change the trend. You see in 3 minutes, market is now trying to change the trend from bullish to again bearish. You see all the red candles, only red candle is here, no green candle. See, it's almost near to our stop loss, almost near to stop loss, almost near to stop loss. When I am sharing my number again, 72592 72592 72924. See, guys, almost near to stop loss, almost. So here loss is very much 2000 rupees. See, not stop loss got triggered, guys. Loss is 2000 only. Loss is 2000. We missed our entries here on the short side. Here we were planning a long position because we were expecting that market has taken out this liquidity. Now it can try to again test the high of the box. But our view is wrong, so we lost 2000. It's fine. If here we could have captured our entry, it could have been 1:2, more than 1:2, I guess. Guys, any doubt you have regarding this thing? If you guys have any doubt regarding CryptX or LOWEST, please give me a text on this number. Please give me a text on this number. Guys, avoid taking any trade now. Avoid any trade now. If you see here, market has given a very good sharp red candles. Don't trade any. Don't take any trade as of now. You see the structure is looking completely sideways. If I mark the range for today, this is the opening candle. You see, this is the opening candle. Yeah, this is the opening candle, and now market is in this range. So please avoid taking any trade now. Avoid. And any doubt you have, please, regarding CryptX or LOWEST, give me a text on this number. And if you haven't opened your account in this thing, you can open your account also through this referral code. This is here. You can see here. You can open your account. You will get 10% discount on brokerage, free crypto course plus algo integration. So all this stuff you will get. So today we have a loss of 2000 only. Now please don't take any other trade. Market is bearish, but see the structure candle. Volume is not looking good. Volumes are very less. Okay guys, so we will meet tomorrow. Tomorrow at same time, 6 o'clock. Try to join our live. You will get a lot of understanding, lot of observations. So guys, we'll meet tomorrow. Okay, please text me on this number if you have any doubt, and you can open your account through this referral link. Okay guys, so we'll meet tomorrow.